Hey everybody, in this video we're going to work a little bit with the absolute value of x, and I'm going to start by looking at 3 times the absolute value of x. What that's going to do, that will take and make this point at 1, 1 become a point at 1, 3, 2, 2 becomes 2, 6, minus 1, 1, again that's going to come up to 3. This symmetrically is going to be at 6 as well. So our point is going to, or our graph is going to look a little something like this. It's going to go through those 2 points right there, and then it's going to go through these 2 points right here. And this is triple slope, we could say. It's got triple the slope. Now, if I want to take, say, absolute value of x plus 2, what that's going to do is that's going to move it not right. Is it going to move it right? No. It's going to move it left. I know that's the positive direction to the right, but it goes the opposite way. So this will be left 2. So instead of being at 0, 0, it's going to be at negative 2, 0. Instead of being at 1, 1, it's going to be at negative 1, 1. And likewise, instead of being at 3, 3, it'll be at right here, 1, 3. And then it'll mirror it this way. And we'll be able to draw our graph. But notice that the slope is the same between the original function and this new shifted function. Maybe what we could do is we could do something like this, and we could take and do 3 absolute value of x plus 2. What that's going to do is it'll go left 2, then triple the slope. And the order can be very important. 1, 1. That goes up to 3. This instead of 2 is going to be at 6. Instead of this being at 3, it's going to be at 9. The order can be very important. Alright, there we go. Now you can see that it's 2 to the left from our triple slope. 2 to the left from the triple. Cool. What else can we do with this? What if we took the absolute value of 2x? 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. So it looks like we could just be having double slope. It should be right here, right? 5 is 10, yep. And 2, 4, 6, 5 is 10. And in this case, that's correct. Because the absolute value works linearly, it works as a line. The absolute value of 2x and, say, 2 absolute value of x, they're going to give us the same thing. What wouldn't is if we had, like, negative 2 absolute value of x, right? Like, that's the only big thing there, is that if it wouldn't be negative 2 absolute value of x, but it would be the same thing as the absolute value of negative 2x. So these aren't the same, and again, order is important as always in algebra. Let's take a look at one more. Let's do 3 absolute value of x minus 1. We're going to shift this to the right one. Right, and then we're going to triple the slope. So this isn't 1, this is at 3. This isn't 3, this is at 6. This isn't at 3, it's at 9. And 1. And this gets tripled up to 3. This gets tripled to 6. And this gets tripled to 9. So we shift it horizontally. And we're going to go ahead and adjust the slope. Like that. Great. Oh, you know what? We're on a roll. Let's do yet another one. Let's grab red. And what we'll do is we'll do the absolute value of x minus 2. And this isn't at 0, it's at minus 2. This isn't at 1, it's at minus 1. That's enough for me. And this is going to, of course, go down 2. Okay, I hope that helps you with the absolute value of x. See you next video.